So anong ginawa mo ron sa mga personnel na dapat mag-monitor nun?
Pinagalitan ko po sila. Although hindi ko
Pinagalitan
na,
mo lang? Pinagalitan mo lang sila? Inamin mo din, and I'm so glad na inamin mo na nagkakasino ka. Di ba?
yes, Your Honor.
At ang kasama mo dyan, yung deputy mo, si Bryce. Am I right?
Minsan po, yes.
Alam mo ba, na bawal sa government employees ang magkasino? Kung doon lamang sa kasino na alam mong bawal na gawin mo yan, nagawa mo, how much more sa trabaho mo at DPWH? We would like to solve this problem once and for all, sapagkat alam ko napapagod na ang taong bayan marinig pa ito. Pinirmahan mo mga project kanina, ipinakita ni Congressman Joel Chua here. 3 yan. Pinirmahan mo yan, di ba?
Yes
At
po.
inamin mo din na hindi mo talaga na-monitor yan.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Ayan, okay. So anong ginawa mo ron sa mga personnel na dapat mag-monitor nun?
Pinagalitan ko po sila. Although hindi ko
Pinagalitan
na,
mo lang? Pinagalitan mo lang sila?
tinanong ko po sila kung bakit po nangyari yon.
Andito ba sila ngayon? Are they here today?
I think there is project engineer assigned here at the PL.
I would like to make a motion, Mr. Chair, that we invite those personnel that Director D.E. Alcantara is telling about.
Yes, they will
In the
be
next hearing.
they will be invited, Chairman Abante.
Okay, now, ito, pinirmahan mo yan. Oo. And you are responsible, di ba? Now,
Yes, Your
you
Honor.
ako'y nagpapasalamat because you admitted negligence. Oo. But negligence is not corruption. Because corruption, merong pagpapalit ng pera dyan, di ba? Am I right?
Yes, Your Honor po.
Ayun, okay. Pero still, negligence should be your accountability.
Yes, Your Honor.
And therefore, you must face the cases against you as far as negligence is concerned. Am I right?
Yes, Your Honor.
For example, inamin mo din, and I'm so glad na inamin mo na nagkakasino ka. Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
At ang kasama mo dyan, yung deputy mo, si Bryce. Am I right?
Minsan po, yes. Yes,
Minsan
Your Honor.
nakasama
Opo.
mo siya.
Opo.
At alam mo ba, na bawal sa government employees ang magkasino.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yet you did it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, kung doon lamang sa kasino na alam mong bawal na gawin mo yan, nagawa mo, how much more sa trabaho mo at DPWH?
Not to that matter, Your Honor. Sa project po, ayan pong mga pangyayari yan ay kung hindi nyo po ikagagalit, Your Honor, hindi
Alam
ko
mo,
po...
mahirap paniwalaan yan, D.E. Alcantara. Kung ikaw mismo, you violate the law as far as playing the casino is concerned, then you can also violate the law as far as the projects are concerned.
Maybe my violation, Your Honor, is the negligence. Actually po, I hope hindi po kayo magalit, Your Honor. May mga tao naman pong ma-invite kayo and they will tell everything what happened to that po. Salamat po.
You better tell us the names of your personnel that
Yes,
ought
right
to be
now.
invited here para
Yes, Your Honor.
makita natin lahat to, malaman natin lahat, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Yung mga nakalagay doon na mga contractor, for example, doon sa pinirmahan mo, meron ding Wawaw contractor, Wawaw, di ba? Meron doon St. Timothy contractor. Now, who suggested to you those contractors if you do not know them personally? Do you know them personally?
I don't know them personally.
You do not know them personally, but they're your friends.
Hindi ko po masasabing friends because pagka nanalo naman pong contractor, they sometimes coordinated with us, nagko-courtesy. Ganun lang po, Your Honor.
So how did they become the contractors of your projects?
Because of the bidding, Your Honor. Open bidding naman po ito, Your Honor. Everybody is entitled to join the public
So
bidding.
doon
Your
mo
Honor.
lang sila nakilala.
Yes, Your Honor.
And afterwards, nung ginagawa na nila yung mga proyekto, syempre, kinikilala ka na nila.
Your Honor, hindi po ako nakipag-usap sa kanila about that implementation, Your Honor.
Na, itong mga contractors natin dito, siguro, hindi naman siguro magpapagawa ng ghost project yan na walang signal kanino man tao. There's always someone behind that. They could not even make a substandard project if there's no one behind that. Am I right? Yung mo sabihin, itong mga contractor na ito, gagawin nila on their own? I'd like to ask Wawaw. Sabi nung Wawaw, sino yung Wawaw? Wala na? Oo. Yung sinong contractor dyan, I don't think any contractor here would even admit that they have actually built substandard projects. Any contractor here that would answer that to me, sabihin sa akin, hindi ako gumawa ng substandard project at wala akong ghost project na ginawa. Andiyan ang mga ibang contractor. Can you please answer that to me right now? Any contractor? Meron ba?
Chairman Abante, all the contractors present had already made a general denial that they do ghost projects and that they do substandard projects.
A general denial. So, ibig sabihin yan, even under oath, Mr. Chair, even under oath, they are actually lying, sa mga bagay na ito. So, sana talagang maging totoo tayong lahat dito sapagkat, tama yung sinabi ni Congressman Romy Acop eh. Sino bang sinisisi ng taong bayan dito? Kami. Oo. Hindi naman kayo masisisi. Hindi masisisi ang kontraktor. Hindi masisisi, kami ang nasisisi rito. Oo. Kahit na for example, wala kaming kinalaman sa budget niyan, hindi kami humawak ng pera diyan, kayo lahat ang humahawak ng pera. Oh, you exchange hands as far as money is concerned. So, paano natin mababago itong mga bagay nito? How can we change this? Because we have, right now, gusto kong makaroon tayo dito ng desisyon paano natin babaguhin itong problemang ito. Do you have any proposal to me, Director the DL Alcantara? How can we able to change this? Kakainis na eh. Totoo lang.
It's my own opinion lang po, no? It's not the opinion of the department, Your Honor. I think we can involve the local government in joining the inspection of the projects po. Yun lang po, Your Honor.
Fine with me if we could be able to involve the local government into the inspection of the project, no? Ako, I am also fine. Okay din sa akin if we will coordinate with the LGU. Okay rin sa akin yun. Okay rin sa akin yun if we will consult the LGU. Ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, yung corruption. Hindi pinag-uusapan yung permit, hindi pinag-uusapan yung consultation. Ang pinag-uusapan dito, yung collusion, actually, ng corruption na yan. Oh. Diba? Naniniwala ka ba yun? Si COA, for example. Naniniwala ba kayo, COA, na may mga pagkakataon, may collusion din ng COA sa DPWH?
On my part, Mr. Chair, wala po.
On your part, wala. Anong ibig sabihin on your part? Wala kayong alam?
Bilang auditor po, sir, wala po, sir.
Wala kayong alam. Diba? Personally, wala kang alam. Tama?
May I clarify, sir, kung ano pong gusto nyong sabihin sa wala?
Sabi mo on your part eh. On your part, wala. Anong ibig sabihin ng on your part? Ibig sabihin yan, personally, wala kang alam. Am I right?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Sa corruption, sa collusion, sa corruption, wala kang alam. Am I right?
Opo, Your Honor.
Yan. Pero, meron. Whether it be local government unit between the LGU and the COA. Anong tawag sa LGU? Yung COA auditor. Oo. Meron sa pananaw mo, meron din yan, di ba? Hindi naman pwede na merong corruption sa mga bagay na yan, hindi alam ng COA eh.
Hindi ko po masasagot, Your Honor.
Hindi mo masagot. Okay. Ngayon, I'd like to ask Yusek Cabral, tell me, how can we resolve how can we solve this problem now that we have? Because right now, the president is not only inspecting, but the president is angry. So how can we resolve the problem?
Dapat po talaga may managot dun sa mga ghost project po. Meaning, kung sino po yung mga accountable na tao, ay dapat po silang managot dahil hindi po tama yung nangyayari na may mga substandard at ghost project po. Kasi po, pag wala pong mananagot, baka po maging, baka isipin ng iba, makakalusot sila. So, kailangan pong may managot.
Actually, we have been having this hearing since this morning eh. Walang nananagot eh. Walang nagsasabi ng dapat talaga ganito. I would like to ask the contractors present now that denied having ghost projects or substandard projects. How can we solve this problem? Tell me. Sa ating mga contractors, paano? You can answer one by one. Whoever would like to start answering. Sige po. Oo. Sino yung mga contractor dyan? Pakisagot lang yung tanong ko, how can we solve this problem right now? This is a nagging problem. It has been going on ever since. Di ba, Kowa? Been going on ever since.
Mr. Chair, based po sa mga findings po ng mga auditors natin, may mga observations po tayong nakita sa mga deficiencies po nila.
Why it's been going on ever since. Am I right?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
O yan. I'd like to find out from our contractors. Kayo, ang gumagawa ng mga proyekto natin. Kayo ho. O, paano po natin masosolve itong problemang ito? Wala pong ayaw magbigay ng solusyon? Oh. Sana walang anumang cover up dito o pinagtatakpan natin, no? Mr. Chair, I would like to manifest na walang gustong sumagot ng mga kontraktor. How can we solve the problem? Because right now, we are not investigating, accusing someone of a wrongdoing. What we are trying to do here is trying to solve this problem. Di ba? Sa lahat ng proyekto, buong Pilipinas po ito eh. So ang tanong ko sa inyo, how can we solve this problem? We'd like to find out from you because the solution will not only come from us. Oh. It should come also from the contractors themselves. Sapagkat kayong gumagawa eh. Oh, kayo ang pinangalanan. Oh, tama ba ako? Kayo ang pinangalanan eh. Wala pong gustong sumagot sa inyo. Oh. Ako, tinignan ko kagad eh. Nung yung nilista ng Pangulo ng 15 kontrakto, tinignan ko kagad yung mga kontrakto na gumawa ng mga proyekto. Na tinuro ko eh. Buti na lang, wala sa kanila. Alright. Nasabi ko parang kay Pinky Web na may contractors. It's not something na sabihin ko mga kaibigan yan. Ibig lang sabihin yan, sila ang gumawa ng mga proyekto sa distrito ko. Kaya ako sinabi yung mga bagay na yan. Pwede ko yan naman sabihin, yung DE ko, pwede kong sabihin yan eh. Bakit? Yan ang DE na binigay sa akin eh. Am I right? Pero, hindi naman namin nakakausap palagi yan. Yeah, I'd like to find out. Kasi, pagka minsan, mag-uusap-usap tayo dito, magkakaroon tayo ng mga hearing dito. Hanggang hearing lang eh. Pero wala namang solusyon na nangyayari. We would like to solve this problem once and for all. Sapagkat alam ko napapagod na ang taong bayan marinig pa ito. Yun lang, Mr. Chairman. Salamat po.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman Abante. There being no other person who wishes to interpolate on the part of the Committee on Public Accounts, we are suspending the session for the next hearing.
On the part of Committee on Public Works and Highways, this hearing is suspended.
On the part of the Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability, this committee hearing is now suspended.